Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to fix your microphone not working on Windows 11 or 10 PC. Now, the first thing you want to do is head to your settings. And we can get our settings by selecting the start menu here and coming up to the pin section. If they're not here, you can search for them. Alternatively, right click on the startup menu and select settings here from this pop-up menu. Once we're in our settings, we want privacy and security here on the left. Then you want to come down till you find microphone here in the app permissions. We want to go into this. Now here at the very top, microphone access. You want to make sure this is tabbed on as it is here. Then you want to come down and make sure that the app that's not working with the microphone, for instance, say it's photos, just as an example in this case, you want to tab it on. So it does have access to the microphone. As you can see here at the bottom, OBS has access because I'm screen recording. I've had to turn this on. Now, if that doesn't fix the problem, what we need to do is come to the search box here at the very bottom, type control panel. It should auto-populate after just typing a C. So let's select control panel here, which is currently best match. Now within control panel, we want hardware and sound. Then we want sound here. Let's select that. Now here is the playback. So these are your TV, your headphones, and things, and your speakers, as you can see. But in this top tab here, you'll see recordings. And here's our microphones. Our current one here, the Shure MV7. And we've currently had it set, so as is okay. But let's say this was your microphone here. You'd select it, and then select set as default. Then it'll start using this microphone. So make sure it's set as default. I had to come in here and select set as default. Now the next step, if it's still not working once you've done that, double click on the microphone if it's definitely set as default. So I'll click my Shure MV7 here, double click it. Then you want to select levels here in the top tab. And you want to make sure this is set to around 100%. 100% is always better. If it's 0, you won't be able to hear anything. Then press apply, OK, OK again, and hopefully them two solutions help you fix your microphone not working on Windows 11 or 10 PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.